Cities, like rivers of fire bending beneath the clouds, the currents of comings and goings. It bold enough to call out to the wild things of the night, tempting them too with the light, but not their warmth in the dark. And you and I, we are wild. Wild like Ginsberg on a 36-hour drive up the East Coast. Wild like animals being called home, knowing we'll die when we get there. Wild like the defenders of all the towns this river has consumed before civilization was a synonym for extinction. Come and allow us to make the distinction between the dark and just a lack of light. Fire and warmth. I have warmed myself with the company of others and known the difference between home and a shelter. And though that path might be hard to see, we strike out for it. Happy of those we meet along the way. We are the wild. The best of us, following that wild blue river through valley and canyon, and answering whatever call we may hear the rapids bring with them. We beat the drum that only those who know the rush of freedom and home in the brush know to dance along with. Put your ear to the ground and listen for us. We are coming. You will feel the beat. Feel our presence like the swelling of a tide in the cave along the shoreline of your heart. Open the levees. Let what is in you and in this darkness, the wild out of reach of the river of fire, meet each other. And I promise you, they will meet as old friends, lost only for a time.